this is how it looks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the Heatless curls for long hair, but it could be for like any hairstyle, any type of hair. It could be short, long, medium, whatever, you know. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we're moving on to wetting my hair in my bathtub. So we're gonna get my hair wet really quick, so I'm gonna put you guys down somewhere. Alright guys, so we're gonna wet my hair, like I said. So we're gonna turn this on real quick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in and cut my hair. Perfect temperature. Alright guys, so I just put in my hair wrap so it could dry it a little bit, because it needs to dry at least a little bit. And also you guys would want to buy like a whole bunch of hair ties, unless if you guys got like a ton like at home, then you guys don't need to, but you'll be needing like a whole bunch of hair ties to do this like easy hair like style to make your hair like curly overnight, or like you could like do it in the morning and then probably in the afternoon then it will curl. Okay, and also we'll be needing a brush, so let me grab a brush. Got my brush up over here. And also if you guys would want to do like scent on your hair too, I do that all the time, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna be using this instant repair to make my hair like smell good and make my hair like stay in place while I'm braiding it and trying to make it curly overnight or overday. Alright, so we're gonna just take this off. We're not gonna go like this because it makes your hair frizzy, so we're just gonna like scrunch it. My hair is still way too wet to even braid, so we're not gonna do that yet. We're just gonna let it sit out and just let it dry for a little bit. So I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we were waiting for like 20 minutes. Took a while for my hair to dry. Takes a while, or sometimes it dries quick, but for some reason it was drying really slow. So now we're gonna brush my hair. Let's speed that through. Alright, so we're finished with brushing my hair. Now we're moving on to the instant repair. So we're gonna put that up in my hair so it could smell healthy, and also it could like make my hair like stuck, you know? You just want to squeeze at least like that much up in your like your hair. Just go around, just blend the cream. It smells good as hell. You guys want at least like a lot of like hair ties to use while we're doing this, and we're gonna grab like small pieces because it makes it like more like curled. Unless if you want to do like a lot of hair that makes it like wavy big curls, but we're doing curls here today, so you guys want to grab only this much and then just have the rest just like back here while you're gonna curl this piece. And then after that, get a piece of a hair tie. Take my scrunchie off. Actually, we'll use my scrunchie to pull my hair back, because that helps. And then we're gonna start braiding my hair. So we're gonna grab 3 pieces. Like I said guys, I ain't like a person that's about hair and everything, so I'm gonna try my best. I ain't like the best at like braiding hair also, so I do pretty good, and it makes my like curls really pretty. I got this. I just do it like normal curls and everything. Does the same thing, and it curls my hair like really pretty. But like it doesn't take like a lot of time of braiding your hair. Like it hurts your fingers while you're doing like all of your hair, and yeah, that's only the bad part about it. But the good part about it is like after, when you're done with everything and you just wait for a few hours, then your hair is like gorgeous. And voila. See, it just looks like that. Easy, basic as hell. And then after that, you just want to do it like on the other side. But like the back, I do it way different than I do in the front. Because in the front, I do like smaller. Then after that, in the back, I start getting bigger and everything. Because that's just like how I like to do my hair while I do like the heatless curls and everything. So, and I love doing the heatless like curls. Just getting out of the shower and everything while your hair is wet. But you don't want your hair that wet. You just want it to be like kind of wet, like it's like cold filling and kind of dry. That's when you want to like do it while you're gonna braid your hair and everything. So just make sure it's like kind of dry and kind of wet. So okay, so we're gonna grab another piece up top and then down, and then that matches, and then we're gonna do the same thing. See, you guys could see it's like a little bit bigger now compared to this one. It's like getting a little bit bigger. Watch, you're gonna start seeing like it getting a little bit bigger each time. Because in the back, I like it when it's like a little bit like, it's still like curled and everything, but like I like it when it's like a little bit more bigger waves back there. And then in the front, I like it when it's smaller waves and then it starts getting bigger and everything. That's what I like. For sure, this hair is way more thicker than the one that I started with, for a fact. Alright, the other hair tie, we're gonna wrap it around, just tie it up, and then this one's finished. We're gonna speed up the progress. We're gonna put it on time lapse, so it's like me going quick and everything. We're not gonna do like so much time lapse, but we're gonna do mostly time lapse while I'm like braiding, you know. So guys, we're on to my 5th braid, and I bet you guys are wondering what type of braids I'm doing. You guys probably think I'm like doing box braids. That's probably what it looks like. To me, it kind of does look like it, but that's how I do it, and it makes it like even more like curly while you're like doing it like my way. Or you could also do it with the socks too. You could do it with the socks also. If you guys want another video like this, I could definitely show you guys like
a few moments later.
Heatless overnight curls with the socks this time, not like braided with this, you know. It'll be braided with the sock and everything, but like this one makes it like really pretty too, but not as pretty as the ones with the socks. See, it's gonna look like box braids on me and everything, but look at how my hair looks while it's like going down. You guys can see like it's gonna be straight and then it starts going curly, but how it's gonna be like straight curly and then it's gonna start going downwards of how I'm doing my curls. So there you go, that's all done. Almost done with this side, almost. Well, I am on this done with the side. I have to do like the back and then we're on to this side. Now we're done with this side. We finished the whole back also that you guys saw. Now we're on to this side. We gotta finish and everything. But I'm gonna go quick on this side. Just time lapse it the whole time because it takes too damn long. And I wanna finish through it. And also, whoever is watching this video, you guys should definitely subscribe because right here, most of y'all are not subscribed, but you guys are watching my videos, but you're not subscribed, so you should definitely subscribe, please, and like this video. So you guys, this is like the problems that you would have, is like your hair will get tangled when you're trying to braid your hair. It's so annoying. I hate when this happens all the fucking time. Yeah, down on this one's gonna be poofy, but it's okay. It's still gonna be cute and braided, obviously. It's fine, it's fine, it's gonna work. So can you guys see how like poofy it is compared to like this one? Look at that one, a little bit of poof like normal, and then this one's like goddamn crazy as hell. But it's okay, it's still gonna curl. And you guys want to make it like really tight, or like tight enough where it could like hold, because when you're sleeping and everything, it gets like yanked out sometimes. Like this one right here. See, this one's already untangling, because that's when you know. We probably need like, let me see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I only need 3 more. That's what I was thinking at first. I was like, I probably need 3 more to finish the back. Finally, on to the last one. About time. It's taken a while for me. So this is how it looks. It doesn't have to be even, like I said, because the curls are going to be beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys a roundabout. I'm going to do a 360 for you guys, and then we're going to tie it up, and then we're going to wait for a couple hours. I'll see you guys like in a couple hours, but let me do the 360. So this is how it looks in the back. Like I said, doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to. But it looks like that, just curled and everything. And then the side, and then my other side. Alright, so now we're on to my scrunchie, or this scrunchie, doesn't matter. We're using my black scrunchie because I love black and it will match with my outfit. So we're gonna roll these back down, and then we're just gonna like put it in like a little bun. So it doesn't really matter how it looks, it's just gonna, or you could just put it in a little hair tie or something like that, but I put it in a bun because it makes it 10 times curlier. And then we're just gonna keep it really stuck like this. Like, you have to keep it really tight to your head. Like I said, look, it's like uneven. It's alright. Only if I had something to cover it, because that's ugly as hell. I can't find a bobby pin to pin this, but it's fine. So I'll see you guys in a couple hours after, when I pull out all these braids out, and then we'll reveal my curls. So I'll see you guys in a couple hours.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so we have 1 more hour to go. I'm just watching like some videos on YouTube while I have to wait for an hour, you know? So I'm going to be doing that, and probably I'm going to be coloring also. And yeah, I'll see you guys when it's time to take out my hair.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, it's already been 2 hours. So finally we're taking it out. So we're gonna take it out of the bun really quick. But let's split it. And we're gonna start taking out the back first, the hair ties. Guys, I am so excited to see how it's gonna look, because like, well, I've already done this hairstyle so many times, but like still, like, I'm excited for you guys to see like how the hairstyle is gonna look and everything. It's gonna be cute as fuck. So now we're gonna start on this side. We're gonna take off this side. Alrighty, now we have no hair ties in. So we're gonna start with the back first, and then we're gonna see how it's gonna look. So here we go. Yeah guys, sorry if it's getting darker in my room. It's just because it's 8 o'clock right now, 8 o'clock at night, and I'm doing this video late as fuck because, you know, I'm trying to post for you guys. So alright guys, so we got this whole side done except for this, and then this whole side would be finished, and then we'll be moving on to this side. But this is exactly how I'm trying to tell you guys how it's gonna look and everything. It's really pretty. This is the finished look right here. Now we're gonna speed this up so we could do this finished product so you guys could see the final look. Alright guys, I'm really excited for you guys to see this like look. If you have no hairstyles to do, I definitely recommend this hairstyle, because like, you could just leave your hair down and it just looks really, really pretty. This is how it looks. It's like really curly and everything, you know. This is how I like to do my hair when I'm like, you know, chilling or something, or I want to do a really basic look. But guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you guys like this type of hairstyle and everything, and if you guys want more videos like this, I'll definitely do it, like I said to you guys. So I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys. Peace.